Welcome to PSD Pharma, a complete system designed to help pharmacies take full control of sales, stock, and profits. Getting started is simple. Just click Get Started to begin. Here, the pharmacy manager registers the pharmacy. You enter your full name, pharmacy name, address, phone number, email, and create a password. The process is quick, and the password can be changed anytime later. After sign-up, you're taken directly to the subscription page. Access unlocks once a plan is activated. New pharmacies start risk-free, pay $1,500 and get 2 months. 6 months gives 8 months access, and 1 year gives 15 months access. Payment is simple using Wave. Scan the QR code with your Wave app, confirm, and continue. Once payment is confirmed, your dashboard opens immediately, seeing different trackable metrics. On the Subscription tab, you see your subscription status. To keep products organized, categories can be created first. On the Products tab, products are then added with their prices, quantities, and expiry dates, allowing the system to track stock automatically. For pharmacies with many products, PSD Pharma supports bulk upload using Excel. You download the template, enter your product data, preview it, and import everything in one step, saving time and effort. The point of sale is where daily sales happen. Products can be searched or scanned using a barcode scanner, added to the cart, discounted if needed, and sold instantly. Every sale automatically generates a receipt. All transactions are recorded clearly, including the payment method used, cash, mobile money, or bank transfer. Transactions can be voided in case of a mistake or cancellation. All the stock and money will be returned accordingly. On the Expenses module, expenses can be recorded and filtered by date and category, helping you track spending and understand your true profit. The Reports section gives you a clear picture of your pharmacy's performance. You can view sales, profits, and top-selling products for the last 30 days or any custom date range. You will also be able to track how much you receive for each payment method, expenses by category, and sales made by each user. PSD Pharma supports different staff roles. Admins have full access, managers handle operations, and cashiers focus only on sales, ensuring proper control and accountability. Now let's log in as the cashier we just created. Users with cashier role will only be able to make sales and only see data and transactions related to them. In the Profile section, all users will be able to see the details and also be able to change their passwords. Let's log in as the admin again. You will see all the transactions, regardless of the user. PSD Pharma gives you clarity, control, and confidence in running your pharmacy. It is easy to use and is built specifically for pharmacies in the Gambia. You can get started today in less than 5 minutes.